chain too loose or too tight? No more guesswork or repetitive measurements. It's time to add the BPA slack adjuster to the game. Designed for professional riders, this tool makes chain slack adjustment faster, easier, and more precise for any type of motorcycle. Simply mount the tool and check the marks to see if your chain needs adjustment. If needed, loosen up the axle nut, unlock, and turn the adjusters until the OK marks on the tool are aligned. Then lock the adjusters, tighten the axle nut, and you're all set. Every motorcycle has its own recommended chain slack. That's why before the first use, this tool must be calibrated for your make and model. In order to calibrate the tool, make sure the chain slack is adjusted as instructed in your motorcycle owner's manual. You only have to calibrate the tool once, and it is very important to have the chain adjusted correctly before doing it. Now, mount the tool with the bushings on the chain's inner links. Using the included wrench and Torx key, release the middle bolt, align the OK marks, and tighten back the bolt. Now your tool is calibrated for your motorcycle. When mounted, it indicates if your chain is too loose, OK, or too tight. Once calibrated, you can check the chain slack in seconds, making chain adjustment easier than ever before, indicating the slack in real time. It helps you get it right every single time. Remember, not too loose, not too tight. If you want your chain to last, the slack has to be just right. Invest in your safety with the best slack setter tool by BPA Racing. Your new loyal ally for safe rides.